Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the copy and paste glitch not working. Alright, let's begin. First, open this PC on your computer and go to the C drive. Open the Windows folder, then the System32 folder. In the search bar, type rdp clip and find the rdpclip.exe file. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This will restart the clipboard service, which often fixes the copy and paste issue. If the problem continues, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type or paste the command echo off vertical bar clip and press Enter. This clears your clipboard history, which can help reset any stuck clipboard processes. Finally, restart your computer and test copy and paste again. It should now work properly across all apps and folders. So that's basically how you can fix the copy and paste glitch not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.